Hi guys, welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. This is Mom She Pearl. If this is your first time here in my channel covers childcare, parenting, health and wellness, beauty tips, public update, our concern about parenting, okay, and so many issues that we need to discuss from time to time. A reaction video, a mukbang, okay, anything under the sun, okay. And in this video, I would love to share with you my most beautiful gift that I gave to my daughter this Christmas season, okay? Last Sunday, we went to Divisoria, and fortunately, there is a Lucky Chinatown there, Lucky Chinatown Mall, where inside is a national bookstore. And we roam around the national bookstore, checking something. We used to buy pickup stick and the pad of paper that she need that time. Okay, that is the purpose why we went there. I'm just going to buy her papel. Kasi sabi ko siya, naubusan ka na ng papel, may assignment kayo. Pumunta ako sa tindahan na malapit, wala, sarado. So they need to pass the assignment in the morning. So, in the morning, Monday. And unfortunately, sarado nga yung tindahan ng Saturday and of course Sunday. So sabi ko, pupunta lang naman tayo ng Divisoria. So, pupunta na tayo sa Lucky Chinatown. Kung sarado yung mga tindahan sa Divisoria, there's a Lucky Chinatown Mall there where we can buy the things that we need to buy. And fortunately, there is a national bookstore there. Okay, and this is the stuff that I bought. Okay, ito yung binili ko. Napakaganda guys. Ito yung pinakamagandang regalo ko sa anak ko this Christmas. Yes. Pinakamaganda kasi, look. This is about the values and habits. And my daughter also love reading from time to time kasi nahawa na siya sa akin na mahilig ako mag-booklet ng libro. And hindi mo naman kailangan kasi sabihin yung bata, ay maging ganito ka. Kailangan meron siyang mga nababasa-basa dyan. Okay? So this is about values and habits. So, what are the values and habits? So, binuksan niya nga agad to. So, nakakatuwa kasi binuksan niya agad. At tiningnan niya agad yung table of contents. So, tinanong niya na sa akin agad-agad kung ano yung mga nakasulat. Nakasulat kasi dito yung mga virtues, like, yun. Look, guys. Appreciation, attentiveness, availability, okay, boldness, budgeting, cheerfulness, communication, compassion, contentment. At hindi lang yung bata matuturuan ito, pati tayong mga magulang, if we will find time to read this, di ba? Sabi dito, why this book? What is good character? What are values? How do they work? Why are they important? Di ba? Sa bata, napaka-importante ng values. Habits. Okay? Importante kasi lalaki sila na dapat intact sa kanila yung mga virtue. Di ba? Kasi pag hindi, naku, ang hirap nung guys. Kaya ako sobrang stricta sa anak ko, sinasabi ko sa kanya, para lumaki kang mabuting bata. I want you to grow up na, meron kang pagmamahal sa kapwa mo, meron kang pagmamahal sa sarili mo, may pagmamahal ka din sa ibang tao, and of course, you have the love for God, okay? So yan, kaya ini-instill ko sa utak niya, lahat ng mga bagay na dapat ma-instill sa kanya. And of course, me as parent should be a good example to her. Like, for example, you want to teach about generosity. Makita niya dapat yun sa'yo. Generous ka sa kanya. If she is asking something, that you're eating something, or you have to. Mama, can I have a piece of this? Kahit naubos niya na, okay. So, diba? And, of course, showing them from time to time that, like, we're doing charity work sa ibang lugar. So, nung napakaliit pa lang ni Shasha, sinasama ko yan. Wala pang YouTube. Hindi pa ako nag-YouTube noon ah. This is not to brag or this is not to be proud of what I'm doing. I'm just sharing with you because we're talking about generosity, okay? Kindness, compassion. So, before, I used to make food. I have food business there, then, and during December, so, what makes me happy is sharing what I have, okay? So, kasama ko siya. Namigay kami ng mga puto doon sa mga lugar na, you know, they really need that food. Sabi niya, Mama, ang saya. Alam mo yun, yung naramdaman niya. And kapag may nasasalubong tayo mga less fortunate people na deserve naman talaga bigyan, so we'll give. So natuto din yung bata, okay? Teaching about values and character. So natuto yung bata na about what we say, but what we do. Parents should be a good example. Sabi niya dati, Mama, I want a parent na sobrang mabait. So kung sobrang mabait ako, yun na matututunan mo mag-bait ako. Hindi mo matututunan yung other virtues. Okay? So kailangan ko maging stricta. Kasi sabi ko, yung pagiging strict ko sa'yo, pagmamahal ko yan sa'yo. Okay? So hindi pwedeng sobrang ano lang ako. Kasi doon lang, yun na matututunan mo na sa akin, kindness. So hindi dapat. I should be a multitasking mother. Okay? Like this, appreciations. What is appreciation? Appreciation, yung kapag tinanong niya ako, Mama, what is appreciation? Siyempre, hindi ko pa nababasa yan, pero siyempre all by myself, alam ko na lahat yan. So, mababasahin niya yan. Madali yung bata si Shasha, hindi niya na binasa. Tinanong niya na sa akin. Para on the spot, malaman niya na. Inisa niya pa buklat niya, Mama, what is this? What does this mean? Okay? So, sabi ko, appreciation is, yung kapag may mga taong do favor for you, you should be thankful for them. You should be thankful to them, okay? They're giving you gifts, they're helping you, they're teaching you. You should appreciate. Like, what I'm doing from time to time, I take good care of you, I serve you good food. You should appreciate mom's effort, diba? So, yun. Okay. So, you should appreciate every people who do good thing to you. Okay, so that is appreciation. And, next, sabi niya, what is attentiveness? Attentiveness, sabi ko, yung kapag may nagsasalita, dapat nakikinig ka. Kasi ang taong nakikinig, you're giving the opportunity na marinig yung ideya ng isang tao. Like this time, you're listening, okay? And it's a respect to the person. Nakikinig ka dapat. Tapos, dun sa sinasabi ng tao, you're learning from what they're saying. Okay? Kasi may mga ibang tao, na kapag may nagsasalita, nagre-ready na sila ng sasabihin nila. Instead of listening and learning from what the people is saying. Okay, so may mga tao na hindi sila kind-hearted and mayayabang sila. Habang may nagsasalita din sila. So hindi pwedeng ganon. So if you're a good person, if somebody is speaking, you should learn to listen. And it's a kind of personality development. It's one way of winning friend and learning how to influence people, okay? Availability, yan. Availability. Ano ba yung availability? Okay, like for example, you are a mother, you should find time for your children. Okay? Or your children, you should find time, halimbawa, teenager na kayo, malaki na kayo, you should find time for your parents. Kung nagyayaya yung parents nyo na magpasyal kayo, samahan nyo yung parents nyo kasi yun lang naman yung happiness ng mga magulang. Kasi may mga iba na nagiging teenager na sila, hindi na sila sumasama sa parents. Iniisip nila, may lakad kami ng mga kaibigan ko. Hindi. Samantalang ng mga bata pa kayo, yung parent nyo, hawak-hawak kayo lagi, dinadala kayo kung saan. Mahal na mahal kayo. Tapos nang lumaki na kayo, ibang tao na yung priority nyo. Hindi masama. Hindi masama na makipag-banding kayo sa ibang tao. But you should still find time for your parents. Okay? Sa case ko naman, si mama kasi hindi siya outgoing eh. Kaya okay lang, sa bahay lang kami lagi, usap-usap. Okay? So yun. Availability. Itong boldness, to be honest with you, hindi ko ma-formulate pa yung sasabihin ko sa boldness. Boldness, okay? Nandun na sa utak ko yung sasabihin ko, pero hindi ko pa siya masabi, okay? So, ayoko magmagaling masyado, tapos mali naman yung sasabihin ko. Okay, next is budget, but it's a virtue in this kind of habits also, and as well as values. Okay, it's boldness. Okay, so later tatakal ko yun. Ano ko lang muna sa utak ko. Hindi ko hindi ko pa ma-digest yung ma-digest mali. Hindi ko pa ma-formulate sa utak ko yung sentence, yung tamang salita ko. And budgeting. Okay, another virtue is budgeting. You should live within your means. Magkano ba yung pera na hawak mo? Magkano ba yung budget mo para sa particular item? Okay, you should learn how to budget things. Magkano ba yung budget sa pagkain? Kasi if you are spending too much and you're running away from your budget, then what will happen? You will get depend into what? Credit. Sakit sa ulo. Okay, so kailangan may budget. Kaya si Mr. Ko pag may nagsabi, mamalengke kayo ganito, magkano yung budget? Or i-shopping mo si ganito, magkano yung budget? Doon tayo iikot eh. Kasi kung wala kang budget, what will happen to you? Mahirap yun, okay? Doon ako nainis kay Mr. ko minsan. May inuuto siya, wala siyang sinasabi na budget kung magkano, kung saan ako, ano lang, diba? And another virtue and habit is cheerfulness. Ano ba yung sinasabing cheerfulness? Ayun, maging masayahin kayo pag may kausap kayong tao. Kayong yung lousy. Maging masayahin kayong lagi na tao para yung tao nakakausap nyo, nagiging inspired sila mabuhay. Hindi yung, dapat, I'm Annabelle, na kapag may kausap akong tao, like my friend, I'm always happy, okay? So I think that they are imparting energy, and they're making the person feel lively and alive too, okay? So in the meantime, we will stop here sa cheerfulness, and later on, I will also discuss with you about the boldness, okay? Marami pa tayong itatakel ng mga virtues about ano. Okay, so mga parents, so I'm just share with you this kasi gusto ko na lahat ng bata sa mundo magkaroon ng magandang attitude. Kasi the problem nowadays is children are growing up away from the values and habits. Iba na yung mga ugali ng mga bata ngayon. So sabi nga, 'di ba, sa isang sisidlan, mayroong mga prutas. Kapag may isang bulok doon, maaaring makahawa yun sa ibang hindi bulok. So what do I mean? So dapat lahat ng mga anak natin, gabayan natin para yung mga anak natin hindi sila makapaghawa ng masamang karakter sa ibang bata. Okay? So I hope this video is inspiring to every parent. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this is one of the best gift that we can give to our children, okay? Hindi mo sila sabihin, ay, basahin mo na yun, ilalagay mo na yun sa mesa. And from time to time, kayong dalawa, aralin nyo. Okay? Magtulungan kayo para intindihin yan, share nyo. May mga ano naman siya eh. Meron naman siyang mga picture, oh. So, kung nahihirapan kayo, i-research na lang sa Google. Okay? Ako kasi mahilig ako magbasa, at alam ko na lahat to. Okay, so, ayan, para naman sa anak ko, pag magka-time siya, magbasa-basa siya kasi sa school nila, lagi silang pinapabasa ni teacher. At pinapa-video nga sila pag nagbabasa, pinag-submit sa messenger ng mga nire-read nila. So, multi-purpose talaga yung pagbili ko nito. She can use this from time to time kapag nagsabi si teacher na magbasa ng English readings. Okay, and from time to time, this can help her to become a good child and a good citizen in the days to come. Okay, but thanks for watching. God bless. Love you all.